Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm with my little brother Hobby.
Hello, I am here now, and I will bring joy to the world.
We're gonna be playing Field Trip Z,
Yep, I'm already on the game.
and for some reason it says that Hobby's not online. And there he is. Now we're gonna be playing Field Trip Z, but the bad news is once we're out, we're out.
Yeah, okay, for the rest of the time.
Mm-hmm.
So you gotta follow my lead.
Yeah, I guess. Because I'm not good at obbies on this computer.
Don't worry, there's an obby. There's an obby really into the game.
Wait, where's Hobby? There he is.
Oh, I'm right here.
He's right here with me.
Hard.
Hello. Wait, which one?
Okay, just follow me. Okay, as you see, we're not in the private server. I am so sorry. Probably do this one. There's other people on it. I'll have all the stuff. I'll have a medikit to heal you. Okay? But just so you know, Ariana will die.
Yeah, most likely.
Yeah, I know this game inside and out.
Sure you do. I can only record for so long, so. First, I'm gonna hide these usernames, just in case.
Emotes. What's
I
that
don't want the
emote?
emote.
What's that emote?
There are tons of activities to do throughout the school. This is your classroom. We will be studying here soon.
I don't care.
Good luck, and remember, don't break any of the school rules.
Okay, there's one part though where you skip class.
Oh, okay, that's cool.
So
It's the very first day of high school. This is it, the start of our future. Go inside and let's explore. What's this?
I'll get a medikit instead. Oh, medikit's okay. Okay. Here is a bandage and a donut that you can also eat, but you can also give to Donut Dave.
Who's Donut Dave?
You meet him later in the story game.
Hello, teacher. I don't like you very much, so
I hate you.
I yeet. But actually, never do that to your real teachers. Oh, I found a medikit.
Okay, you can kill me instead.
I don't want to kill you
Oh
though.
wow. I'm too surprised.
I found another medkit.
Hey, where? Oh yeah.
I found Donut Dave's donut.
Oh, you can also eat that too.
I don't want it. I want to eat Donut Dave.
You are so stupid.
Bandage.
Where is
homework. I don't care. I'm not gonna do it.
Hey, I want to see the homework.
I didn't get it. Someone else got it. Oh my gosh, is that homework? Should we skip class?
I like. Where's the medikits? I need the
Skip
medikits.
class.
Okay, I guess that. Okay, fine.
I chose go to class. Meet the bully out front. He looks ugly. He looks so ugly. Well, head with me. I'm off to the gas station for snacks. I don't care. You look so ugly. The hair.
It's an eyesore.
The hair, just the hair.
Okay.
Oh, hey, Principal.
You can't go inside.
I want to go inside.
That's stupid.
Let me inside.
Okay. I am already going to the gas station.
I'm lost.
Don't worry, they'll teleport you to the station. But I'm gonna go here before
I'm lost. I'm lost. I found my way out of the school.
Oh. It's just like, I found my way out of school.
How
I can't believe that.
Now I just need to jump to make my stamp go faster.
Oh, that's not the way you go through.
Oh.
Well, right now I'm
Hello.
gonna do this.
Why isn't there any snacks? I want food. I'm hungry.
Hey, lady. Where's all the food? Okay.
Yeah, where's my food? I like food.
I disrespect this place.
The military showed up before.
See, look, I disrespect this.
Oh, they said it was very important for a very important purpose.
I disrespect you. I just disrespect this.
Look outside.
Where is
Oh
this?
my gosh, it's the military.
Oh my god.
I want to leave. I want to escape. I don't want to be here. I want to go to class, but no, it won't let me.
Yeah. And you know, I usually.
There's so. Oh, you're still dancing. How you literally talked for your part.
Oh, okay. Oh, I missed it. I'm so sorry. Read on by yourself.
Let me out. 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 Let me out.
Okay.
Let me out. Yay! Oh man, let me out though.
Principal.
Prince. What are you kids doing out of class? Would you believe we are?
Nothing, sir.
No, that's me. Nothing, sir. Fine. I don't want to go back to school.
Yeah, I want food.
Yeah, we're hungry. Why do you have to make lunch so late? Now I want lunch. Give me lunch.
Okay, I want your lunch.
Why is it back at school? I don't like school. I don't.
Boring. Okay, I'm getting this chair.
Class, you're now in detention. Nah.
Whee!
Escapes detention. Oh man, it won't let me escape.
Whee!
No fair.
What? I get this chair?
I want to try. Can I try? Can I try?
No, it's
Why?
my chair. I can only get it.
And let me try. I've never gotten it. Off you go. Just put your part. It's your part, brother.
Okay. Oh, okay. I forgot. I totally forgot.
Oh, you're mean. Hobby, at least let me in one.
No, because then it'll be forever.
No, it won't. I promise to give it back to you.
Oh. Okay. But I have this blue key and you don't.
Your blue key.
Jump in it. Jump on it.
Ayo! That didn't sound like a student.
Yeah.
It was probably just a teacher.
Yeah, probably just an ugly teacher with green skin.
Yeah, probably. Most likely. Teachers aren't very. Actually, I like teachers. Oh, look, there's a plant.
Yeah, how nice.
Where did our teacher go?
Oh, he left.
Teacher, why'd you leave us?
Look outside, it's a zombie. Hello, friendly. Hello, friendly.
Oh, shoot. We're gonna die out here. Oh,
Hello,
man.
friendly. Hello, friendly.
We're gonna start.
Okay, so right now, I need to get out of here. Plus, I want Donut Dave. I need to give him. No, he's not. You haven't seen him. Plus.
Hey, Principal.
I'm back, students.
Something short-circuited the lights. I don't care.
There's a zombie.
It was a zombie. Shut it for a second. That's a rude principal.
Shut it for a second.
the computers are more important for than your job.
Get it for a second.
Oh shoot. Well, we're gonna die today. Just to know we're gonna die, so yeah. Life can be sad sometimes.
I don't trust these lab guys.
We are going to die here. Zombies again. Oh no, we're gonna. How is there randomly zombies though? Just zombies. Wow. Just zombies. Oh no! 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 Oh, I thought we had to get in there or else we'd die. But thanks so much, game, for not letting me die. We're gonna have to pause the recording. Guys, I'm gonna have to pause the recording because I only have 5 minutes left for recording. So I don't have a bat.
Okay, then grab one.
Where's the bat though?
Over here. Tap them. And also you can get crowbars too.
Crowbar? I don't have one.
Okay, where's Donut Dave? Where's Donut Dave when you need him?
We should do break in after this.
Yeah, we know that thing inside now.
Oh shoot.
Who's that?
What is that? Or it could be a zombie. Most likely a zombie, but like, you know, take your chances. Oh yeah, it's police. Donut Dave!
Oh yeah.
It's Donut Dave! You came to save us! Donut Dave, you're amazing. Why is it all bloody though? Donut Dave, you're amazing. We love you so much. Oh shoot.
I don't like it.
Oh shoot. Oh gosh. Where do I go? Where do I go?
Upstairs. I'm fighting. Do this with me. I did it early so we don't get attacked. Oh wait, it hurts me.
This is kind of scary.
Okay, this is scary. I lost some health.
Did I?
No, you didn't.
Yes, 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 yes.
They're all here. Run! Run! Come on! Come on here. Come on. Go up.
Where do we go?
Through here. If I die, just so you know, those zombies don't stand a chance.
Are we really?
I'm sorry, Ariana.
Guys, that's gonna have to be it for today. Sorry, but we're gonna make another video for break-in instead. So bye.